In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar chart in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your chart, input your data, customize it so it matches your design, and export or share it. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one where you want the chart to live. If you're starting fresh, pick a size or template that fits your final use, like a presentation slide, a flyer, or a social post. This helps your chart fit perfectly without resizing later. Next, access the Charts feature. Click Apps on the side panel, then search for Charts and select it. If you don't see it right away, the search box is the quickest route. Once you're in, you'll see different chart types. Choose the bar chart icon to add it to your canvas. It will drop into your design as an element you can click and move. Use the corner handles to resize and position it where you want it. Keeping some margin around the chart will make it easier to read. Now it's time to input your data. A data table appears alongside the chart. Click into each cell to enter your categories and values. Categories are your labels, like months or product names, and values are the numbers that determine bar length. Keep labels short and clear so they display cleanly. If you already have your data elsewhere, use the drop-down to import from Google Sheets, a CSV, or other supported sources. After importing, double-check that the first row is recognized as headers and confirm the numbers look right in your bars. With the chart selected, customize the look to match your design. You can change colors to align with your brand, adjust fonts for titles and labels, and fine-tune the overall style. Turn data labels on for quick readability, choose a legend position that doesn't crowd your content, and set axis labels so your audience immediately understands what they're seeing. Keep contrast high between bar colors and the background, and pick a font size that stays readable at the final output size. If your dataset is larger, consider simplifying labels or using fewer colors for a cleaner look. When you're happy with the result, download your bar chart or share it directly from Canva. For most uses, PNG works great. For print, consider PDF. You can also share a view or edit link if you're collaborating. That's it. Thanks for watching.